Mrs. Conlon. Today we're going to draw a tiger in some tropical habitat. So get a paper and something to draw with. Here we go. I'm going to start with a circle. Then I'm going to draw 2 lines down, just like that. So he's going to be peeking out of the tropical greenery in the shrubs. Okay, I'm going to give him 2 ears. Triangle here, and a triangle there. I'm going to give him a nose, so a little V right in the middle of his face, a little tiny V, that's going to be his nose. I'm going to put a line over that. I'm going to do 2 U's, one on each side of that triangle. 1, 2, there's my tiger mouth. So a tiger is a cat, just a really big cat. I'm going to give him some whiskers. And then to make it look like a tiger, I'm going to draw some triangles on the sides of his face and color them in. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to do that on both sides of his face. Okay, I'm going to do some eyes. So you could do whatever kind of eyes you want. You can do cartoon eyes, you can do realistic eyes. I'm going to do some cartoon eyes. I'm going to do 2 eyes. And there's my tiger face. I'm going to do some tiger stripes on the 2 sides of here. So same thing, kind of like triangles, and then I'm going to color them in black. So the rest of him you can color in orange later. So here's where you're going to be creative and add all of the details. So I'm going to add some zigzags for maybe a bush in the front, maybe some giant leaves here, add some more bushes back here. You can also have his tail kind of popping up from here, kind of having some details coming out of there. You could make it stormy if you'd like, a stormy day. You can make it a nice day. I'm going to do some lightning, stormy. I'm going to draw some more growth here. And you could add any other details you want, and then go ahead and color it really nicely and then upload it to Seesaw. Great job.